Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen, here to give you the most delicious recipes. Back with another simple and delicious recipe which is also healthy, and this is called Naada kollo. It's normally or mainly from Jara and Kiang, I guess. So for this we have some fish. Okay, you can use fresh fish, you can use smoked fish. Okay, so I have 3 small pieces of barracuda, and the main ingredient for this recipe is this powder here, and this is from a leaf, baobab leaf. Okay, dry it and then you pound it into powder, and this is called na, all right, in my local language. So powdered ingredients we have are, fresh tomatoes, locust bean, habanero pepper, half an onion or a small size onion, Maggi seasoning, and some tomato paste is also going to be used, just a little. And ingredients to throw in are some jahatu or bitter tomato, habanero pepper, and dry salted catfish. So basically these are the ingredients we're going to need for our nada. So onto my pot I add in my fish. This is already cleaned and salted, and then I add in my pounded ingredients. I ended up using 2 fresh tomatoes instead. So all that goes in, add some Maggi seasoning, add water, and just put it on the stove and let the fish cook. So our soup has been boiling for a while and the fish is cooked. So I take the fish out, and this is going to be deboned. If you like, you can leave it like this and just put it on the side when you're eating, but I'm going to debone at least 2 of this and set this one aside. Okay, so I take the fish out. Every other thing stays in the stew or in the soup. All the fish is out. Okay, now we are going to add in the na or the baobab leaf powder. That goes in. You will stir it as you put it in, okay, to avoid it having any lumps. So that goes in. So you thicken it like this. It's a powder that makes it thick, and it looks like okra soup because the powder is also slimy like okra. So at this stage I'm now going to add in the fish that I deboned. Okay, and it's done. So that's nada. We're having this with rice. It is healthy, it has no oil. There you have it. That's our final product. Bon appetit, and see you next Saturday. Bye bye. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.